Richard RM1105 automatic flyback chronograph GMT watch. Caliber RM AC3 skeletonized automatic winding movement with hours, minutes, seconds at 3 o'clock. Oversized date, month, flyback chronograph with minutes and countdown counters at 9 o'clock. Hours counters at 6 o'clock, UTC functions and variable geometry router. Construction of the automatic movement gives pride of place to titanium. Its functions notably include a GMT display that can be simply adjusted thanks to a push piece at 9 o'clock, a 24 hours flyback chronograph, and an annual calendar. Added grace ceramic is adapted to the pure aerodynamic lines of the Icon's case with measure 50 by 42.70 mm with a total thickness of 16.15 mm. Materials at a high temperature without altering their respective qualities was a challenge. It proved even more difficult to obtain a homogeneous whole as nickel and cobalt, which are normally used in this family of hard materials, were excluded in order to adhere to reach standards which ensure safety in the production and use of chemicals in the European industry. Innovation procedures used for this solution were classic hot stamping with a series of powerful electrical current pulses to increase the sintering kinetics, a technique known as flash sintering. Its density of 4.1 gm centimeter cube less than that of titanium, and the hardness of 2360 Vickers, almost the same as the diamond's 24600 Vickers, make ceramic a judicious choice for use in bezels that are very exposed to scatters while maintaining overall lightness. Richard Mille RM1103 automatic flyback chronograph watch. Caliber RM AC3 skeletonized automatic movement with hours, minutes, seconds, flyback chronograph 60 minutes, countdown timer at 9 o'clock. 12 hours totalizes oversized date, month indicators and variable geometry router. Case of the RM1103 McLaren is made up of carbon TPT interlaced with orange quartz TPT, resulting in an extremely resistant and lightweight case that pays tribute to an emblematic McLaren color. The carbon TPT enhances the mechanical performance of RM1103, offers resistance to harsh environment. Under the bonnet of the RM1103 beats the automatic RMAC3 titanium caliber with a flyback chronograph that is ready to race on the track, powered by the two barrels mounted in parallel and a balance wheel with variable inertia. The movement has a 55 horsepower reservoir. Barrel ring is ensured by a variable geometry router that enables personalized winding adjusted to the wearer's activity level. Further evidence of Richard Mille's characteristic attention to detail.